This is Brian, the CEO of Airbnb, who had lunch with Jeff Bezos and Warren Buffett, where he received this great insight.
And I asked Jeff Bezos a question about Warren Buffett. I said, Jeff, in front of Warren, what's the best advice that Warren Buffett ever gave you? And he said, and they've been friends for like 10 years. And he tells me this story. And he says, one day, I call up Warren Buffett and I say, Warren, you're like the second richest guy in the world. They're talking, and he's like, your investment thesis is so simple. Like, if you're the second richest guy in the world, and your investment thesis is so simple, like, why isn't everyone just copying you? And Warren Buffett replies, he goes, because no one wants to get rich slow.
And while this video was filmed almost 8 years ago, Warren Buffett's statement that nobody wants to get rich slowly rings even more true today. Because we live in a world of instant gratification, where even a late Amazon delivery drives us crazy, and right here on YouTube, personal finance gurus promise you fast results where anyone can turn $1,000 into $100,000 or even $1 million in less than a year. I mean, just look at some of these videos. This one turned $1,500 into $60,000 in just 1 month. And this 26-year-old trader is going to show you how to get a $30,000 profit in just 10 minutes. And how does he do it, you may ask? Well, you can find out by simply buying his complete trading course valued at $1,300, but for you and only you is a special low price of just $397. And let's not forget the most dedicated personal finance YouTuber who live streams every market open and close, who says things like, the market is doing nothing, it's so boring, or buy it now, it's going to the moon. But don't worry, they all say the typical cop-out phrase of, this isn't financial advice, and if you lose money, it's your fault, not mine, so don't sue me. After saying all this, you might think that I have something against these people, but I hope you understand, I have no problem with these so-called financial gurus who showcase their trades or tell their viewers what to buy or sell, because it's ultimately up to each individual investor how they choose to invest their money. But focusing on the biggest rewards in the shortest time possible means that the other half of investing, the risk of losing your initial investments, are rarely given any thought. I mean, can you turn $1,500 into $60,000? Sure. And actually, you could have made so much more money if you put that amount in Dogecoin back when it was trading at 0.26 cents. If you did that, your $1,500 would have 83x and be worth around $125,000 right now. And even better, you could have used that $1,500 to buy lottery tickets, and this could have been you. But it's easy to forget that investing is all about balancing risks and rewards. And all these get-rich-quick mentalities are making people take bigger gambles and ignore the possibility of losing everything. And yes, if $1,500 is all you had, the temptation to turn that into millions of dollars is overwhelming. And these financial gurus make it sound so easy. I mean, Meet Kevin basically shows you what to buy and sell, so you just have to follow him, right? But you have to realize, while $1,500 might be everything you have, for this ex-California governor candidate Kevin Paffrath, that's what he makes every 2.3 hours on his $6 million income making YouTube videos and selling these ridiculously priced course bundles on how to make money. He doesn't care if you lose all of your $1,500 investment on this bad trade because, like he always tells us, don't sue me, bro. And sure, following Warren Buffett's advice to get rich slowly isn't sexy, isn't going to get you featured on CNBC, or earn you internet points on Wall Street bets, but you do have a near guaranteed chance of turning that $1,500 into $10,000 in 20 years, compounded at a 10% annual rate. And even better, if you're able to put in an additional $1,500 every year, you're going to end up with more than $100,000. I mean, sure, you'll have to wait 20 years, but that's $37,095 you'll be making pretty much risk-free by just staying invested for the long term. And while I disagree with a certain Warren Buffett advice, I'm following his simple investing strategy and planning to get rich slowly with my stock portfolio and M1 Finance. I've been tracking my portfolio growth since last September, As you can see, the portfolio balance has nearly doubled. I ended August with $43,498.76. And yes, not all of it was from gains because I did put in $31,190 of my own money. But the most important column for me is this one, where I track my portfolio gains. And in August, the portfolio added $1,108.32 for a total gain of $12,308.76. To put that into perspective, that's equivalent to me earning $36 passively every single day in August without having to go to work, commute, or endure aimless small talks. And the $4.92 dividend I received in August was a nice bonus as well. Now to finish off with these three numbers, I can calculate my lifetime portfolio return, which now stands at 39.46% or an annualized return of 13.15%. And sure, that's not $30,000 profit in 10 minutes, but without depositing any additional money, my current portfolio balance of $43,498.76 compounded at my current annualized rate is going to turn into $1,770,548.94 in 30 years. So that's the beauty and the secret to getting rich slowly that I hope each and every one of you strive for in your investing journey. And to wrap things up, while I haven't made any YouTube ad money yet, unlike Meet Kevin, my channel continues to grow every month, and we ended August with 913 subscribers. And while I doubt anyone's actually watching up to this point, if you're still here, thank you so much for watching and allowing me to share my investing journey with you. If you're new here and not currently a subscriber, a like and subscribe is always appreciated. But with all that said, I hope we all can get rich slowly together like Warren Buffett said, and I'll catch y'all next time with more financial shenanigans.